This is Project Race, an E.C.D custom Land Rover Series 3, finished to our client's exact specification. Race is finished in eggshell Fuji white with black accents. Project Race sits on 16-inch Wolf wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This Series 3 features a front-runner full-length roof rack, classic front bumper with 2 Hella spot lamps up front. Inside, Race features an NRG Innovations wooden steering wheel with classic white gauges, 2 traditional low back front seats, a 3-passenger bench mid-row and 2 inward-facing benches in the load area. Each seat is finished in a square Garrett Torino caviar leather stitched together in black. Race is powered by a GM LS3 V8 engine with 5-speed manual transmission. This Series 3 also features an array of modern elements such as gel audio sound system, wireless charging, AC setup and access to USB ports throughout.